I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to deposit money into your ING account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your ING account. Open the ING app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once logged in, find the deposit or funds transferred section in the main menu. This is usually located in Account Overview. Step 3. Choose your deposit method. Select how you want to deposit money. Options may include bank transfer, check deposit, or cash deposit at an ATM. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 4. Enter deposit details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm your deposit. Review all the information and confirm the deposit. You should receive a confirmation message or email once the transaction is successful. Remember, if you're using a check deposit, ensure that it's properly endorsed on the back to avoid any issues. Happy banking.